Welcome guys. In this video we're gonna find the slope, and we're also gonna find the slope we're gonna find the tangent line to the graph at the point 9,4. So first we need to find the derivative of this function to get the slope. Then we plug in the point there, 9,4. Then we find the tangent line by using the slope integer form, and then if you want you can put it in standard form. Alright, so the first step is gonna be, we're gonna change this one to like this, plus 1/2. We're gonna do 1/2 plus y 1/2 equals 5. Now we're gonna take the derivative, dy dx, on both sides. So take the derivative of x to the half, that's gonna be power rule. We bring that down, gonna be minus 1/2. Now we do the same thing for this one, but we're gonna have to multiply the dy dx because we're taking implicit differentiation. So it's gonna be 1 plus 1/2 y minus 1/2 times dy dx equals derivative of 5 is just 0. Notice we can change this one to look like this. 1 over 2 square root of x plus 1 over square root of y times 2 times dy dx equals 0. I'm gonna multiply everything by 2, so I want to get rid of these 2. So then we're left with 1 over square root of x plus 1 over square root of y times dy dx. 2 times 0 is just 0. Now we move this one to the other side, so that will be 1 over square root of y times dy dx equals minus 1 over square root of x. Now we multiply times square root of y times square root of y. So this is equal to dy dx equal to square root of y over minus over square root of x. So this is the first step. We find the slope. Now we plug in 9/4. So we're gonna do dy dx equals what is y? This is your x and this is your y. So y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 9. So taking the square roots is gonna give us negative 2 over 3. So that's the slope. Now we're gonna find the equation. So y minus y, this is the slope the point slope, so it will be m x minus x1. So it will be y minus y1, this one, minus 4 equals slope negative 2/3 x minus x1, this is 9. So that's the final answer, but we can turn it into a standard form. The way we turn it into standard form is we multiply together and we leave y and x on the left side and then the constant on the right side, and you should be able to get 3y plus 2x equals 30. And that should be your final answer if you want it in standard form. So notice, first we change the form, we take the derivative, we find the derivative. Now we plug in our point, and finally we just plug it into the point slope form, linear of the tangent line. And then if you want, you can leave it in standard form. That's all you have to do for this problem. Thank you very much.